Former Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, retired Justice Tayenjam Nandakumar, swear in as first chairperson of Lok Ayukta, Manipur. State Disaster Response Force SDRF team recovers body of a drowned man at Secretary Park water body in Churachandpur around 11:30 today. MPCC President Gaikangam asserts ruling party should not feel offended, rather welcome suggestion from opposition party. And Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar urges people to prefer local fruits over imported ones in the opening of 4-day Pineapple Fest at Sangaitel Park. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Former Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, retired Justice Tayenjam Nandakumar, has sworn in as the first chairperson of Lok Ayukta Manipur, along with retired Justice Basudio Agarwal as judicial member and IAS retired Amay Singh Luikam as non-judicial member. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla administered the oath of office and secrecy to the newly appointed chairperson and members at the swearing-in ceremony held at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan in Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Najma Heptulla assured that the newly elected Lok Ayukta chairperson and the two members will work for the welfare of people of the state. Speaking to media, the newly elected chairperson of Lok Ayukta Manipur, retired Justice Tayenjam Nandakumar, assured that he will take up complaints filed against minister and senior IAS officers and strive to bring a transparent government in the state. Nandakumar, however, clarified that every complaint will not be entertained and only those genuine complaints will be taken into consideration after preliminary inquiry. He maintained that Lok Ayukta is a quasi-judiciary authority for transparent administration of the state government. Lok Ayukta is for the people and it will work for the interests of the public. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit, CFNPD Minister Karam Shyam, Forest Minister Syam Kumar, Health Minister L. Jainkumar, Chief Secretary Suresh Babu, DGP L.M. Kaute and eminent officials of both civil and police departments attended the oath-taking ceremony. It may be mentioned that appointment of Manipur Lok Ayukta chairperson and members was published in Manipur Gazette notification dated May 13 this year.
They will perform their duties for the benefit of the people and the state, because Lok Ayukta is a very important position and their interest should be in giving justice to the people.
Complaint gumba karigumba lakpa, Honorable Minister da lakpa, Senior IAS Officer da lakpa, madu akoina yengba tabane. Complaint file tawre na pangtau logu da sunate akoi hana preliminary inquiry tawni. Adi complaint heta log de habasu yat ana marak ani se balance sokdaba. Ana akoina tawdiba duty se akoigi very transparent government number leibita asi help to banita. We are assisting the government for having a very transparent administration. Kari information kamai lakke de sukan honor ta. Honoraga in the interest of the public, there should be a transparent government, and I will have the government also. And I am not the enemy of the government, I am not the enemy of the public. I am only a friend to all. Manipur Lok Ayukta, I say it is not for me, it is for him, it is not for the minister, it is for the people.
State Disaster Response Force SDRF team recovered the body of a drowned man at Secretary Park in Churachandpur around 11:30 today. The deceased is identified as 35-year-old Meshnam Robindro, son of M. Hazur from Joypur Kunal of Bishnupur district. Robindro, along with his friends, were on a picnic at Secretary Farm in Lamzang village yesterday. They were riding on a private boat at the artificial lake in the park formed due to Khugadam when three of them, including Robindro, dived into the water to swim approximately 10 meters away from the dry land. Two of his friends swam safely to the bank, but Robindro got drowned and was untraceable. The incident occurred around 4 p.m. yesterday. 12-member SDRF team carried out search operation till late night and resumed the search operation at 5 this morning. The team retrieved the body from a depth of 15 feet in the lake around 10 meters away from the river bank at 11:30 a.m. today. DC Churachandpur, villagers, friends and family members were present at the site. The body was taken to Churachandpur District Hospital for investigation. An FIR regarding the incident was registered at Churachandpur Police Station. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Gaikhangam, asserted that the ruling party should not feel offended by suggestion from opposition party. The former Deputy Chief Minister stated that the current overdraft situation in the state is one major financial crisis. He maintained that Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has issued the overdraft notice preventing further withdrawal of funds for the first time in Manipur. Gaikhangam was responding to media query on the sidelines of distribution of aids to the girls' home called Darul Yatama, Lil Banat wa Jamiatas Salihat at Lilong Chaubok, Impam. MPCC presented the items on the occasion of the 49th birthday of Indian National Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today. Gaikhangam also stated that he gave his opinion as an opposition MLA on the current political and financial crisis in the state to aid in bringing resolution in the interest of the public. He added that opposition party did not blame the ruling government regarding the current crisis.
Political crisis ki matang da dil han se haja ki buduni ko koi imung manung gi wana ka so thudong na yam na ngang nga ni te awda budi imung manung gi wathok ni haira ga su lebak wana na ba gi to bi kanu haja ba adu thudong na kai da brang khan koi tawri se sum ni for the sake of criticizing something to na te koi responsible oi ba daita leba position party ma na si tumin na silent spectator na lebak na ha ka da waring isida aduga si ma sida ko na comment pi da ba se sumoi hana it's a political process amani media gi maran su oideni lawe doga tai opposition party tai le adig praja singi maran su natte hajariba leiriba crisis se mathi phunglakpa sabak phaklak pasidi kanana phaklak ki hadaga sarkar panglinga aduna phakjabani haba adu ubadu ui habadu bu saubiradi kamai tawni.
CFNPD Minister Karam Shyam has assured that actions will be taken against those involved in misappropriation of PDS items provided under NFSA. He also condemned that some state leaders chose to approach central leaders without holding any discussion with those in the state governance. Speaking to media at the minister's chamber in Secretariat today, Minister Karam Shyam maintained that the present government is striving to ensure PDS items to all the beneficiaries. He assured that officials of the CAF and PD will never ignore any written complaints with regards to deprivation of this right. He also stated that state government is urging the center to make available rice at minimum support price of 24 rupees 76 paise in the market to fight scarcity of rice in the state. Blaming previous year's flood for the prevailing scarcity of rice, Minister Karam Shyam stated that representatives of Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram are urging the center to review its decision to provide rice given under Welfare Institute and hostel schemes to only government and aided schools starting this year. He also disclosed that government has released 6 crore rupees to be given as honorarium to fair price shopkeepers.
Responsible persons in government, either commissioner, natraga minister, natraga joint secretary director, in return pirga, akoi sumai taure khole na matam jana pau pibada sarkarna the Yankeloidovagi Walaiti, and the Prasagi, Darkala fulfilled on our Honavasi, government gay, Matoni, the womb to wait Tony. At the Amagamaga allegation, Tonaraga, at the Miam, Atopa, central leaders in Alana, Unanaba, Konanaba, and the gay responsible persons in the question Jaja, Hanganagitanza, people in a toposity, Masito and the Ningde. Lastly, was a key matter, say, Yamkumna, Yanchalava Matunda, Sakari Saitagi. Darkar labor responsible person do kanano kari lege do koi yengchen bagi podama satagani.
1,560 565 families of Chakpikarong area under Chakpikarong block in Chandal district are reportedly deprived of PDS items under National Food Security Act (NFSA) as their ration cards are not delivered to them yet. Families who have not received the priority household ration cards under NFSA since 2017 held a meeting at Chakpikarong, Kunpi village today. The meeting resolved to launch an intense agitation if authorities concerned fail to look into their plights at the earliest. A team of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit led by Party President M. Tombi will leave for Delhi tomorrow to meet Shiv Sena national leaders to help in bringing resolution to the current political scenario of Manipur. Speaking to media at party office in Babupara today, M. Tombi disclosed that the team will apprise leader Uddhav Thackeray and Shiv Sena MP Anil Desai of the current political scenario of Manipur so that Shiv Sena may take necessary measures to curb the issues as a BJP alliance. He also urged the state leaders to stop battling for top posts but instead strive to bring a stable government on public interest. He appealed to the government to take necessary actions well on time. New entrants of the party, social worker Mansur Alam from Kairang Mayay Laikai and social worker Sorok Haibam Brojendro from Wangu Mamang Sabal Laikai were given party posts and a warm reception on the occasion.
ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯟ ꯅꯣꯡꯂꯩ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯎ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯎ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟ ꯇꯣꯔꯕꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯒꯗꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯅꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯇꯤꯌꯥ ꯄꯛꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯀꯦꯖꯤꯗ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 95ꯗꯒꯤꯅ 50 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯌꯥꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯌꯣꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯇꯤꯟꯅꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thongnaujam Shyamkumar has stated that he will try to combine all the pineapple festival held across the state in different months into one. He was speaking in the launch of 4-day festival of pineapple and summer fruit at Sangaitel Park in Imphal West today. District Administration Imphal West and Sangaitel Park Management Committee have jointly organized the festival in collaboration with the Departments of Planning, Agriculture, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Commerce and Industry, ICR and COW, stating that pineapples cultivated in the state are in high demand outside Manipur. Minister Shyamkumar appealed to buy and eat local fruits instead of imported fruits. He also assured to set up a cold storage at Sangaitel to preserve local fruits. Altogether, 50 stalls including 17 pineapple stalls are open in the fest.
ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯗ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯕꯔ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯨ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯊꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯚꯦꯔꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯂ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 30,000ꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒꯦ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on Iyong Sangbanabi, a micro-enterprise located at Top Khongnang Makong. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Many budding entrepreneurs not only contribute in boosting the economy of Manipur, but they are also playing active roles in preserving the traditions of the state. One micro-enterprise called Iyong Sangbanabi at Top Khongnang Makong, which produces the unique and much sought after traditional wear of Meitei community called Pige Panek, is one example of such entrepreneurship. Government's assistance in such endeavors would go a long way. Impact News reporter Kedrumayum Premchan and camera person Johan Arambam bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Iyong Sangbanabi, a micro-enterprise located at Top Khongnang Makong, owned by Laishram Siddharani, is playing a major role in preserving Pige Phanek, which is a much-treasured traditional silk attire of Meitei women and an inevitable clothing item in marriages since time immemorial.
Pige Phane se akhoi changdaba yadraba luhongbuda sizinaba customary item ama oina adum launayuba ko aduduna aina zo isade yokhatningba ma zu phawba masije mangidabagi mong leisarakpa hujiki matamda langje ayanba adegi pige manbi mayam am thoklay ko aduduna mahusingidra pakhatana asengba mugagi asengbu pose aina puthokningba ma Power. Sinsangasi Tauzabugi Maramdi, a quick Puna Himinaraga, Puna Suminaraga, Pasaka Paminaba, Adegi Madudegi Pangabo Pesaduna, Nimu Manungi, Zang the Viada, Matin Tangazu Pangmangam Naba, Koi Masin, Honamina Zena, and Tauzavaneba.
Iyong Sangbanabi employs 30 women of Top Khongnang Makong and its neighboring areas at present. The employees engage in various processes of making a Pige Phanek like washing up silk threads, spinning of silk threads, weaving and embroidery works are paid around 4,000 rupees to 7,000 rupees per month.
Tha amada si lupa phane ahum mari sa tar de ai lupa lesing mari da ju thoi aduna maru masa ma yauraga ai ju kitang chakhotpa ado khoi di sidagi di kana badi am phange amuke hena ju chakhonningi yongam lei di kuntra amuk lei beje sidagi koi yongam je yamda da koi yongam yakhai mukti thamaningi
Yamdrabada Lishing Ahum Changa, Marie Changa Pangwa Yawiko, Kanas Kogi, Lang Karanunga, Matoragadi, the polishing Mangabo, Didum Pangbadum Yaweba, Yamdrabada time will polishing Ahum Shusha Trevako.
Imungi Tablo Lagama Pala, whom I did Sidadi, Koi the Nan, polishing Amaga, Sanwapi, Adu Koisaru, design the lady, Adu the aroma dugi, Adugi Matung in a quedum, Pangmunga mega.
The women employees who were earlier mere housewives express happiness at being employed for Iyong Sangbanabi. The small industry not only provides them income, but also gives them a platform to socialize.
Am suminariba jaminariba ko koi ngahak su awa pathai ko pakhanje dum awa ba kaya su ka ore
sugomai khudong jaba phangbaje khoi da harau je haitar kaino dinga saigi khoi yum da lairaga di ko sin thabam ju khangdi imung monongi chakno nom da dum numit nongam dei numit lam tagi baje khanghau de ba tauri ba thabak tu gi mana ju thabi da ba adagi isagi cross tamba targa ju aigi nupa dagi talaga khoi gi pungning nungsi ba haitare ko adugo mu da isana thoksaraga isagi sendalami da lairabanina maram chajana sizana ningbo oraga ju amada oraga ju ai kitang imung gi manage tawbade dungam
Young entrepreneur and proprietor of Iyong Sangbanabi, Laishram Siddharani, stated that her company manufactures around 40 pieces of Pige Phanek in 1 month. She expressed a desire for the government to expand her business so that she can provide more jobs to many more unemployed individuals.
Government ki mari leina ba department sing dagi ne buko kaigumba mating amata phangba leijadreba aina kanna hona zaraga myoi kunthra mukti thabak piba ngamjareba makhoi jingi masagi senthok lambi di lejareba aduga makha tana pothok sing yamna puthokpa ngamnana ba thabak chuning libo makhoi kayama su thabak piba ngamnaba mari leina ba singna loan gumba mateng khara pibiraga di khara safagani khale.
Many young entrepreneurs are coming up in the state. But the main concern here is who is helping out all these young entrepreneurs. So it is the responsibility of the government to look after all these budding entrepreneurs for the betterment of our society. With camera person Yohan Arambam, this is Ketamim Premsan reporting for Impact News in Fall.
Two-day conference come International Buyers-Sellers Meet kick off at City Convention in Palace Compound today. Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority (APEDA) organized the meet in collaboration with Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation Limited, NIRAMEC. 48 exporters and 22 buyers, including international buyers, are participating in the meet. Gracing the event, Commerce Secretary, Government of India Dr. Anup Wadhawan stated that agriculture and horticulture products of northeast states, including Manipur, have great export potential. He encouraged to export these products to boost income. Dr. Wadhawan also stressed the need to form and implement export policy of various states within a couple of years in consultation with the center and keeping in mind the interests of buyers. Maintaining that infrastructure should be developed as per the export potential, the Commerce Secretary assured that states can get aids under trade infrastructure for export scheme ties to build the necessary infrastructure. Dr. Anup Wadhawan also opened a buyer's exhibition of 27 stalls on the occasion. Principal Secretary Horticulture and Soil Conservation J.C. Ramthanga, APEDA Chairman Pawan Borthakur, NIRAMEC MD Pankaj Prasad, Additional Secretary Commerce of Government of India Sanjay Chadha, top officials of State Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department, and many delegates from outside the state attended the event.
The states will work closely with various stakeholders, develop a state action plan, and there again, as part of the state action plan, we will look at the policy, regulatory and infrastructure issues for agriculture in particular. So I hope my colleagues from various states will take up that task and quickly develop an action plan and implement it over the next 2 or 3 years so that we can see a difference on the ground. We also have, as you're aware, the TIE scheme of Government of India, which is the successor scheme to ASIDE. So under TIE also there is some funding available on certain terms and conditions which the state governments can tap. So whatever you plan for in your export strategy, whatever infrastructure you plan for, it can be partly supported through the TIE scheme. So I'd encourage my colleagues from the state governments to take up that opportunity.
One-day public discourse on marketing of bamboo and canned products was held at Thoubal Khetri Sanglen in Thoubal district today. Oriental Women's Cooperative Society Limited, Imphal, organized the event sponsored by NCUI New Delhi in collaboration with NCUI Cooperative Education Field Project, Thoubal. Experts stressed on marketing of bamboo and canned products in the exclusive meet for artisans of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community. Over 50 farmers took part in the program. Three-day Sanamahi lining Mipham began today with an aim to come up with an accepted customary rituals to be practiced by all Sanamahi followers from birth till date. Sanamahi lining Mipham organized the meet at Haying Khongbal, Uphong Yumpham, Lining Thau Sanamahi complex in the first Manipur Rifles compound. Speaking in the event, President of Lining Thau Sanamahi Temple Board cum Earth and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantikumar stressed the need to document the ancestral customary laws of Sanamahism for the future generation. The Earth and Culture Minister was presented with a symbol of Sanamahi religion in the event. Experts stressed on various customary rituals of Sanamahism on the occasion.
Migi Christian gidi, migi di, Muslim sing di luhong wala adman jong sali. Ay iman na bagi mapado mamado di adman towi. La ako yidi kang main towi. Ko siba se kaino. Humibra, humbadawra, may thaga dawra, kaman to ko damo se angang singgi le. Inclusive mai. Khang na magi chang. Ay se kanano wadan masa khang na angang sing hondar baganda. Ako I ko hundagi ko ki angang sing na mapado mamada baganda. ꯃꯄꯥꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯅ ꯐꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ.
Film Forum Manipur has served ties with singer and lyricist Ranbir Tauna. Speaking to media at the Forum office today, Forum Chairman S. Mangoljao stated that Ranbir Tauna is expelled from the Forum because he copied tunes and lyrics from Hindi songs and failed to obey the guidelines laid down by the Forum to conduct visual previews. The Forum also declared that all the songs sang and music directed by Ranbir Tauna are banned from Manipuri films.
Ranbir Tauna si mana samba karigumba film natraga music video da isai samba thobadi akoi film forum na preview tawjeroi maramaduna producer sing na su hairi basi munna khangbirakanda koi film forum da preview tawdaba sana kanlon ngak sing dagi lamna libina ba haidana ngasigi press meet asi pangthok sebani koi producer gi ayaba yaudana kanaguma YouTube channel natraga Facebook ta music video natraga film na singba thagalakpa upload torpa yawi masi hoji aikoi film forum na yamna akan mamiyeng sangani cyber crime da aikoi athuba matamda film forum na che iragani koi sana kalon gi wangma da thabak tawribeng du matik saba action lawna na ba koi sem sare ha.
Indian Achievers Forum conferred Indian Achievers Award to founder cum managing director of Elvigo Circuits Private Limited Uttam Kumar Ningthaujam. The award was handed over to Uttam Kumar at India International Business Summit in New Delhi on June 14. Uttam Kumar Ningthaujam is from Kaibul Lamjau Makha Laikai in Bishnupur district, currently residing at Palace Compound in Imphal. He established Elvigo Circuits Private Limited, a semiconductor VLSI designed company at Bangalore in 2010. Chief Minister's Secretariat in a press release notified that the combined Hill Leaders Day and People's Day for this month will be held on June 20. Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operation at hotels in Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar today. The search operation was conducted under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police, Aribam Ghanashyam at Hotel Avenue, Niran Lodge, Hotel Polo Inn, Hotel Embassy, Prince Lodge and Hotel GM from 4:45 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. One man and one woman were arrested from Hotel Niran Lodge during the drive. They were handed over to City Police Station for further interrogation. Manipur Police Department in a press release informed that a combined team of Imphal East District Police and 5 J&K rifles arrested a suspected active cadre of proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party Noyon during a search operation at Kongpal, Nauroibam Laikai on June 18 at 11:15 a.m. The arrested person is identified as 36-year-old Khetri Mayum Chandrakumar alias Tarang, son of KSH Madhumango. Some documents providing his allegiance to the outfit were reportedly seized from him. A case was registered at Porongpat Police Station and investigations are underway. Herbalife International India Private Limited organized a health awareness event on the theme Healthy Active Lifestyle Activities at Hapta Kangjibung today. Around 4,000 individuals from across the state came early for the workout of 1 hour which started from 7 a.m. Herbalife International present team members Victor Torochin and Mitali Torochin were present on the occasion. Uniforms were distributed to footballers of Young Welfare Club YMC Langtabal, who are participating in Imphal West District Super Division 2019. Social worker and Ibocho and President of International Human Rights Organization O Jotin sponsored the uniforms. Speaking in the event held at Langtabal Public Ground today, and Ibocho expressed happiness that YWC players are playing in the Football League to be competed by 8 teams for the first time. He wished the club to produce more sports persons in future. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Former Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, retired Justice Tayenjam Nandakumar swear in as first chairperson of Lok Ayukta, Manipur. State Disaster Response Force SDRF team recovers body of a drowned man at Sektui Park water body in Churachandpur around 11:30 today. MPCC President Gaikangam has urged ruling party should not feel offended, rather welcome suggestion from opposition party. And Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar urges people to prefer local fruits over imported ones in the opening of 4-day Pineapple Fest at Sangaitel Farm.